Hello children, I am Vaishali Madam. Welcome to your EVS class. Now we'll continue with the second part of lesson 7. Riya's train got late. Till page number 51. Later I was sitting near the window with my eyes closed. Now Riya was sitting near the windows closing her eyes. Suddenly the sound of moving train changed. Kud 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 kud. And then she opened her eyes and guess what she saw? That her train was crossing over a big river on a very long bridge. And then mother said it is the bridge of Narmada river and this is the biggest river of Gujarat. Its water is given to far away areas through the canals. After a while, another two bridges were seen. Small vehicles were passing through it. And father said, the first bridge is called the Golden Bridge, the old and strong bridge. The other bridge beside it, built over Narmada. It is known as the biggest cable bridge of India. Though it is summer, the river was full of water. Some fishermen were seen spreading nets sailing in their boats. The bridge was long and so we enjoyed watching the surroundings. Then father said our train passed through the bridges of Sabarmati, Vartak, Mahisagar and Vishwamitri while you both were sleeping. So when Riya and her brother were sleeping, that train had passed through so many bridges. And now the bridge of Tapi river near Surat will come, so don't miss that. That is what her father added. So now coming to page number 53, it was delightful to see the scene outside the windows because the train was passing through the green fields where the children were, both of them, Riya and Himaksh, were able to see many fields. Okay, so the green trees are seen all around and the breeze was also very cold because of the greenery and plus the river that has passed by, so the breeze was also equally cold. And then Riya also has said this kind of cold breeze she never experienced in Gandhidham, because you must be knowing that Gandhidham is in Kutch area where it is very hot. And now they were busy observing the scene when her mama just called on her mama's mobile informing that he's going to come and pick them up, and then mama added that they are 2 hours late, so instead of 8:25 they are going to reach by 10:25. Now coming to the question, have you seen any bridge and which? So you're going to answer this. The next is, which river are there in your area? Think and write over that river at which places the bridge has been built. So I think we can get the answer from this text itself, because the bridges that they have mentioned, they are in our area, right? So I want you all to answer this question. Then the third is, think and write why should a bridge be built over a river. So this question also we have discussed in the first lesson when children go to school. In that lesson, like why do we need to build a bridge over the river. So I want you all to answer these 3 questions. Then coming to the next page. To page 54, have you ever crossed a bridge and where? If you had been on a journey, maybe a road journey or a train journey, have you ever crossed any bridge and where it was? Then the next is, what did you see around the bridge? So if you have crossed the bridge, if it is yes, then you're going to come to the next question, that what did you see around the bridge? The next is, from which river's bridge did Riya's train pass? So again read the text that we have been reading and then try to answer this question. Then coming to the next passage. Our train was passing through one big city. On the way there were many bridges of roadways on both the sides of the railway track, and where her father informed that this was a big city, that is Surat. And Surat city is the second biggest city after Ahmedabad of Gujarat state, and it is famous for its textile industries and the diamond business. Okay, now coming to the next page. Many passengers were moving on the platform and people with different dressing were seen. Woman wore sari like dhoti, while some men had wrapped white dhoti like lungi. Some people's luggage was also different. See, these are the different type of culture that we get to see even in the same state, that is in the Gujarat only. But then when we travel to different cities, the costumes, the dressing style changes, along with the language also changes. and the eating habits also change. Father said people of different state have settled here for business. So here people wearing different dresses have been seen. So on the platform we were able to see different people wearing different types of dresses. Father bought Sutafeni and Ghari, which are famous sweets of Surat. I hope you all must have eaten this kind of sweets, right? The train halted for 5 minutes and then moved. So it was a short halt. Father said Vapi would come soon after Navsari and Valsad. We would reach Vapi within an hour. So it's just an 1 hour journey left. Mother informed Mama by phone that our train would reach Vapi within an hour. So because Mama was going to pick us up, Mother just called him and informed. Then Himaksh and I were happy to reach at Mama's home. Yeah, it is an exciting thing now to be at Mama's place. Our train was going to reach Vapi where we have to get down. Now Mama called that they have reached the station to pick us up. Now wrapping up her diary for the train journey, Riya says that she enjoyed the journey, although it was long, but Himaksh and Riya had enjoyed the journey, and now she is just wrapping up the diary. She is penning off and she would continue writing after she reaches her mama's home. Page number 56. Again there is a clock, date 29th May and the time is 10:25. Which cities have you seen? What do you see there? What do you see there? And think and answer. So you're going to think and write the answer. Whichever cities that you have visited till now. Which kinds of dresses wearing people you have seen, and write an answer. So there are many different kind of dresses that people wear according to their culture, according to the weather. So if you have seen any particular which are very specific that you remembered, so you're going to write it down. Which different language speaking people have you heard except Gujarati? So have you heard any different language that people speak apart from Gujarati language? So you're going to write it down. From which stations did Riya's train pass? So again you're going to refer the whole lesson and jot down the stations that Riya's train had passed. Riya's train passes through which station and it has not been mentioned here. Give the name of those stations from the timetable which is given on page 62. Now, there is a timetable given on page 62 from. So here is the timetable. There are the name of the stations that her train has passed, and not all stations were mentioned in the lesson. So you are going to make a note of it and write it down. Okay, it is on page number 62. Coming to page number 57. Here they are asking us to list out the famous items or things of your area, village or city. So what is our area? Vadodara city, right? So we are going to write the name of our city. We are going to write the famous food items and the famous things. So I want you all to do some work on it. Of course I'm going to share the answers, but this I would insist you all to try to find out. Then coming to the next, there is a question. How are water and electricity supplied in the train carriage? Discuss. See, I'll tell you what. Electricity, it is centralized. A railway electrification system supplies electric power to the railway trains. And look how the water is supplied. Here at the junction, the train would wait for a longer period of time as compared to the different stations, and the people, those who are responsible to fill the water, they will just come and at every carriage they are going to supply water so that the passengers don't have to suffer. Okay. Then the next is, imagine that you are going for a long journey. Which things will you carry with you to pass your time? So when you are on a long journey, maybe 36 hours, maybe 42 hours. So what are the things that you will carry for your time pass? Then the next is, recognize the people given below in the picture and write their names. So here is a picture of community helpers. You have to identify who are they and then write their names. They are very easy. I know you know all of them, right? So just try it on your own. So children, we are done with the lesson. Riya's train got late and now she has also reached her mama's house. So now you make a list of new words, and then the written exercise which you are supposed to copy in your notebook, that I will send you soon. Thank you, children.